we enabled a fee switch. We have also underwent 2 audits and an AI security scan for extra caution. Okay. So now creating with Licks version that will only trade liquidations when liquidations are high. I'll need to add pandas import as this was missing. Subgraph, terms of use here. This website hosted user interface enables access to Project X protocol, a decentralized non-custodial system of smart contracts deployed on public blockchains for swapping tokens and liquidity provisioning. This interface is developed and maintained by independent contributors and service providers. The Project X Foundation does not operate or control this interface, nor does it execute or oversee any transactions. The protocol is open source and permissionless, and its smart contracts are publicly accessible. Independent third parties may develop and deploy alternative interfaces that interact with the same protocol. The visual elements, logos, and branding of this interface are protected intellectual property and may not be reused without express permission. The protocol is fully non-custodial. You retain full control of your private keys and assets. At no time does Project X, the interface, the foundation, or its developers take possession of user funds. You understand that no party associated with Project X can recover lost funds or provide access to your wallet. Interesting. So I'm just looking for cool things inside of docs, but that was pretty minimal docs. Not much said here, huh? Let's go ahead and go to the next one. PRJX. Documentation. I just feel like there's alpha when you read docs of different, different protocols. And I would say the alpha I pulled from that was this is a Uniswap fork. Can you please read through these documentations here? And as an algorithmic trader, tell me how I can pull some alpha out of their documentation. I read through the docs. The one thing I came to was being able to fork Uniswap is actually super easy, and you can launch it on other chains like Hyperliquid, and you can accrue fees. These fees they can be a good amount. And what I read in their terms of service was they never take control of people's wallets, so they're never a custodian. Meaning, regulatory matters, regulation would be less, right? As you're never storing anybody's keys. But I know there's been some Uniswap beef with regulators. I don't think it's gone anywhere, but you tell me. And then go read through the entire website and their documentation to see if there's any other alpha or ideas you can pull from it. Okay. I want you to think about this too. I want you to really think about this. Okay, you go ahead and do that, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Let's check out Hyperlend. Hyperlend documentation. Now creating the final file, Pacifica with Licks version, Dr. Data Dog. You're doing a good job. Okay, what is Hyperlend? Hyperlend is a decentralized lending platform designed to optimize efficiency in cryptocurrency lending and borrowing. Built on Hyperliquid's EVM blockchain, Hyperlend provides secure, transparent, and highly liquid financial services. Our goal to become the equivalent of modern banking infrastructure with better transparency and stronger foundations. What up, Jimmy777 fam? Why Hyperliquid EVM? Why Hyperliquid EVM performance? Hyperliquid's L1 chain is optimized for high performance with block latency of under 1 second and support for up to 200,000 orders per second, ensuring fast and efficient operations. Transparency. Every transaction, order, canceled trade, and liquidation occurs transparently on chain, promoting trust and visibility. Custom consensus algorithm. Hyperliquid uses Hyper BFTA, custom consensus algorithm inspired by hot stuff, optimized for speed and reliability. Native component. The chain supports a fully on-chain perpetual futures exchange and other developments such as native token standards, spot trading, and permissionless liquidity. Ecosystem support enables a fully on-chain open financial system and user-built applications interfacing with native components without compromising the end user experience. Okay, it looks like she's done with our 4 bots, so let's go ahead and check them out. So it created 4 different bots here: extended OFI, advanced no licks, extended exchange bot that prevents new entries when liquidations are over 250 racks in 10 minutes, extended. Then it does the opposite as well. Okay, 6. So I'm gonna start. This is how I'm gonna start. I'm gonna write this all down here. I got some notes. Okay, so insert